What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to install the Raspbian OS, it was called in back in the day, onto your SD card and put the SD card in the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi will boot using it. So first you go to your browser, you go to google.com and you just search Raspberry Pi downloads. As you can see, you have to click on the first link, and I'm gonna click on the Raspberry Pi OS, and you have to choose which suits you the need. So there is desktop and recommended software. You can also get only the desktop, or if you want you can get the light version. I'm gonna go with desktop and recommended software, so I'm gonna click on the download zip file, and there we go, it starts downloading. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Google again, and what you want to download is Win32 Disk Imager. This is actually recommended by the Raspberry Pi company. So let's download it. Click on the download button, and your download will start in 5 seconds. There we go, it started downloading. So we can just close these tabs and wait for it to download. So until it downloads, we can just wait, but waiting will just extend the video's period for a long time. So I'll catch you guys after the download is done. So now here we have the two files. I'll leave the link in the description for these two files. So now what you need to do is you have to connect your SD card to your computer. There we go. And now just to make sure, just go to this PC and format the card. And it's gonna format the SD card, and now we are good to go. So this is a zip file, so what you need to do, the image is here. So what you need to do is just right click and click extract here, and it's gonna extract. And we are done here, and as you can see it's extracted. So what you need to do is go to Win32 Disk Imager, open it up, and I accept the agreement. Next, 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 and install it. I didn't still install it, so I'm doing it in front of you. And launch the Win32 Disk Imager. And now we have to select the drive of the SD card, and now we have to click on that button and select our ISO file, so it's in my desktop. I'm gonna select that, and now you have to click on write and click on yes. After clicking on write, it's gonna take a lot of time to flash the operating system onto the SD card. So all you have to do now is just wait. I'm just gonna fast forward this just not to waste any time. So it's 98% and it's gonna get finished. And we are good to go. Just click on OK and it's gonna open, and you just don't need to format the disk. Just click on cancel, OK, and now click on exit, cancel again, and now you can just eject the SD card, and you have to put the SD card in the Raspberry Pi and connect it to a TV or your monitor using the HDMI port, and connect it to power using the micro USB port, and you're good to go. The setup's gonna turn on. You're just gonna complete the setup and it's done. The Raspberry Pi is ready to use. So thank you for watching and see you next time.